Hello, welcome back on my channel. Like you can tell, I got few parcels from silvercoins. To be honest, they sitting for quite a while now. I wasn't have time just to unboxing them. I was got, to be honest, work. That was the main thing which I was focusing on the last couple months. Bring the results, like you can tell on the backdrop, which you see previously video. That was the main idea for me, just to work a bit more harder, to invest just a bit more with the shiny pieces. And yeah, that's how it was. So now I believe it's too many of them to go on one go, so we're just gonna choose few of them. We're gonna go for that one. That's something heavy. That one, and maybe that one. There's 8 of them, so it's gonna be 2 separate videos. We're gonna move for them ones. Let me see what we got. That's what I like with Martin. Always secure everything, always. Soon it's gonna come off the video more for the beginners than for the other ones, viewers, regarding where to buy and where I believe it's good places with reasonable prices on the UK to purchase silver. The first video gonna be on the silver, the second one we see if I find a bit of time. I just try to do it with the gold as well. So yeah, 4 envelopes, put them on the side, and we're gonna move it for that one. Oh man. Oh, okay. And then another one. Hopefully that's the last one. Yes, that's gonna be the last one. Oh, invoice? Yeah. Nah, it's not invoice. It's just the info. So definitely good place for the shopping. Martin, even more packages. The whole my video is gonna be unboxing the wrap. Here we go. We got the first one. Year of the Snake 2025. 2 ounce. I like the size. Let me have a look. So that's 1 ounce, that's 2 ounces. So like you can tell, it is quite big difference with the size. So that's 2 ounce. Let me have a look. It's not that one. It's not. Yeah, I believe it's that one. So them 2 ounces. Stackerssocial. Gonna come for the rest of the family. So that was the first one. Year of the Mouse. Year of the Ox. Year of the Tiger. Rabbit, like my little one says. And now we got Year of the Snake. I'm into it, this design. Looks good. But yeah. Let me move all the other bits which waiting for us as well. And that's gonna be 1 ounce Year of the Snake. And another 1 ounce Year of the Snake. Maybe we're just gonna put them over there. All of them, which we're unboxing today, so you can see them. And then should have 𝗏𝗶𝗃𝗏, the new 𝗏𝗶𝗃𝗏 somewhere. I'm quite sure I ordered 𝗏𝗶𝗃𝗏 as well. It is a bar and the coin. Let me go into it. It's not gonna be easy. Yep. Peppermint, 1 ounce, bar, dragon. I'm gonna put it over there. Legendary Warriors, 1 ounce, 999 silver, 𝗦𝗲𝗿𝗀. That's just the one coin, which it is. Good question. Let me take the packages on the side. And it's gonna be Dragon 2024. Queen Elizabeth. It's something small. You can already see it's part of that, and it is Spartacus, Legendary Warrior. I'm definitely gonna carry on them. I like them, and I can even, let me try to find them. It's not them ones. Yep, it's them ones. It's gonna be one missing, which is on the way. That's how the collection starts. Got 2 of them. Really like the Rome Empire, which you're gonna see soon as well, because I got yeah, I'm gonna tell you, a couple hundred of Roman coins to show you and just go through of them. That's my hobby, which I'm collecting for last couple years, and we really like them. Do it the detecting as well from time to time. Not much time now, but yeah, find few of them as well, which they even more value for me than you go and purchase from eBay or different sources. But yeah, that's subject for another video. So that's what we got. Them ones. Snake family. And the dragon. Oh, nearly forgot about this one. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully to see you soon. Have a nice day. See ya, guys.